HaKadosh Baruch Hu instructs Moshe Rabbeinu, Kach es hamateh, take your staff, ve'akel es ha'eda, and gather the people. Ata ve'Aaron achicha, you and your brother Aaron, ve'dibartem el ha'sela le'eineihem. You should speak to the rock, to their eyes, ve'nosan meimav, and it's going to bring out water. Ve'otzeta le'emayim min ha'sela, ve'ishketa es ha'eda ve'es be'erav. There's going to be plenty of water for the entire congregation to drink and for their cattle. But there are two questions. If HaKadosh Baruch Hu instructs Moshe Rabbeinu to speak to the rock, so why is it necessary to take the staff? What is the stick going to help if Moshe Rabbeinu has to speak to the rock? And why does it say, V'dibartem el hasela le'eineihem? You should speak to the rock, to the eyes of the congregation. Seemingly, it should be, V'dibartem el hasela le'ozneihem. You should speak to the rock, to the ears of Klal Yisrael. People should hear that you're speaking to the rock. Some explain. Some people in Klal Yisrael started thinking that the staff itself, this stick, has koiches, independent strength. Says HaKadosh Baruch Hu. You'll take the staff. However, you're not going to use it. You're going to speak to the rock and everybody will see. That when HaKadosh Baruch Hu decides, even when speaking, water can come out of the rock, it has nothing to do with the staff. Klal Yisrael saw so many miracles that happened through this staff, splitting of the sea and other miracles, and they started believing this staff is what it's all about. Therefore, take this staff with you. But don't use it. Speak to the rock. And that is why it says you should speak to the rock, le'eineihem, to their eyes. They should see that you're not using a staff. That all you're doing is speaking to a rock, and HaKadosh Baruch Hu accepts, and therefore water will come out. You got to make sure people don't falsely believe that the staff itself has any koyach, and therefore they should see you holding the staff but not using it, speaking to the rock, and then the rock brings forth water.